In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word lagging. If Word has been slow to type, taking a moment to respond when you scroll, or just feeling sluggish overall, the quickest and most important test you can run is to launch it in safe mode. This doesn't permanently change anything. It simply starts Word with only its core features, no extra add-ins, and minimal customizations. That way, you can immediately tell whether the lag is caused by something external to Word's core engine. Here's how to do it. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run dialog. In the box that appears, type the following command exactly as you hear it, winword /safe. So that's WINWORD, then a single space, then a /, and the word safe. Press enter. Word will start in safe mode. When Word opens this way, it loads only what it absolutely needs. It bypasses most add-ins, skips certain custom templates like normal.em, and reduces features that can sometimes conflict with your system, such as some graphics-related behaviors. This stripped-down start is why it's such a powerful test. If Word feels smooth and responsive in safe mode, that tells you the lag is very likely related to an add-in, a template, or a customization rather than Word itself. If the lag is still there, even in safe mode, the issue is more likely tied to the document you're working on, the core Word installation, or broader system performance. Once Word is open in safe mode, just try what usually lags for you. Type a few sentences, move the cursor around quickly, apply basic formatting, or scroll through a few pages. Pay attention to whether there's a delay between your actions and Word's response. You may also notice safe mode in the title bar, which is a good confirmation that you're running this diagnostic correctly. If the run command doesn't work, double check the spelling and make sure you included the space before the slash. The space matters. Also, this command assumes Word is installed on your PC. If it isn't, Windows won't find it. Remember, safe mode is a test, not a fix by itself. Its job is to give you a clear direction. If Word behaves normally here, you've narrowed the cause to things that don't load in safe mode. If it still lags, you know to focus on other factors. Either way, you've just taken the most important step toward resolving Microsoft Word lag.